So hello everyone. Today we are making a paper butterfly which will look like this. Now starting with a simple square sized paper, and we have to fold it like this like shown in the video, and make a multiplying sign in the square sized paper and fold it lightly that it won't open. And now you can see the multiply sign, and now fold it like this. There will be a plus sign, and also fold it very tightly that it won't open. Other side also, and press it tightly that it won't open. Now take it in your hand and divide it into four parts as shown in the video. Like this, you have to divide it into four parts. Do it gently and slightly that the paper won't tear. Like you can see, there are total four parts in that, and now fold it and press it that it won't open. Now fold it. Fold it very tightly, and when it is folded, count there are four or not. And there are total four pieces of paper. Now cut it like a butterfly shape. Now fold it as shown in the video, and also press it very tightly. You can also use glue here. Now turn it and fold the paper as shown in the video and press it tightly. Now press it and fold the remaining piece inside, and fold the butterfly in your side, and press it tightly and gently that it won't tear. Now you can see how the simple piece of paper is converted into a beautiful butterfly.